Yeah, that's good.
Sounds like he has asthma.
Top. There you go. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. That's really good.
I'm laughing at you. What is that breathing
What's he
treatment
doing?
you're doing?
You don't care. We don't care, do we? Care. We don't care.
And then he looks at me. What are you laughing at, lady?
See, we're talking over here, Mom. We're busy. Yeah. Yeah, we're busy. I'm over here. I'm still over here. Granny's still here over here. Woohoo. There. Yeah. Granny's still over here. Yeah. So I'll give you one and then come back to what I'm doing.